So I just recently got my fridge installed and I've already been using it a good bit. Got a little bit of food stocked in it right now. So I just got this new fridge. I'm pretty excited about it. We're gonna open it up. I'm gonna go over to my truck and we're gonna install it. So here's how it looks, guys. I'm gonna give you guys a closer view so you can see how it is. It does have a freezer inside of it as well, which is pretty cool. So the company actually helped me get this fridge and I really appreciate them for that. So thanks a lot, guys. It definitely makes a big difference, especially now that we're in the summertime. Like, I can actually keep my drinks cool. I just need to get some more drinks to put in here first of all, but anyways, I can actually make some food. I can start eating healthier now, which is a big plus for me, and it's really important. I used to try to eat pretty healthy before, and as you know, like, being a truck driver is just not as easy to eat healthy all the time because you're on the road, and a lot of times these truck stops have fast food or little diners. So for that reason, it's just not as convenient, and it's also helping me save a little bit of money because, as you know, eating out is pretty expensive. But tonight I'm gonna go ahead and make some steak fajitas. Nothing too fancy, just something short and simple, but I'm about to get into it right now. So I know it's a pretty random side, but I'm actually gonna make a little bit of mac and cheese right now. Alright, so here's the final product. Definitely a randomly put together plate, but it does have all my protein and carbs, and that's what's important to me. I'm definitely excited to start cooking more often, and I'll even start learning some new recipes here and there along the way. But right now I'm about to tear this plate up, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.